Hey guys, welcome back to Magic Gimmick Tutorials, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to use the Svengali deck. So I'll get into the performance and then I'll teach you how to use this awesome gimmick. Before I perform this trick, I'd like to show that this deck is in no particular order whatsoever. Okay, I'll do that one more time. No particular order, and we can move on with the trick. So first of all, I'm going to give the deck a couple of cuts, just like so. And I'd like you to call out stop as I'm riffling down the pack of the cards. Stop. Okay, this will be your card. The 7 of diamonds. So I'll put that on top and I'll give the deck another couple of cuts. And I'll split the deck in 3. 1, 2, 3. And I'd like you to pick any pile you want. The middle one. Okay. You just cut to your card. Okay, so I'll sandwich that in just like so. And what I'll actually do now is turn over the deck, and now the card is on the bottom. But little do you know is that the whole deck is the 7 of diamonds. Okay, so that is a trick, very effective, cool party trick. So I'll get into the tutorial. Okay, so first of all, there's a few basic things you need to know. That there are a lot of duplicates of the 7 of diamonds. But also, if we get a 7 of diamonds on a different card, you can see that the 7 of diamonds is a lot smaller than the 3 of hearts, or a different card to the 7 of diamonds. As you can see, there is quite a difference. The 7 of diamonds is quite smaller than the 3 of hearts. So yeah, I don't know, it does something to the deck where it's easy to cut to. So yeah, normally the order should be 7 of diamonds should be every second card. That should be the order, but this deck is a little bit messed up a little. But anyways, that's alright. The trick can still work. So I'll get into the first step of the trick. Okay, so what you're going to do is simply just riffle down the deck and get your spectator to call out stop. This is a free choice. Stop. Okay, and they will likely select the 7 of diamonds just because of the way that the cards are made. So this one is obviously smaller, so they're likely to stop on it. Alright, you can say, this is your card, and then you can screw out the pack, give it a few cuts, entirely up to you, and then you can split the deck in 3, just like that, and you can get them to select any pack of the cards that they want. So this one, and they would have selected their card. They'd be amazed at this point, but you're not done with the trick yet. Okay. And then you can turn over the cards, and if the bottom card's already the 7 of diamonds, you don't need to cut the cards. You can just say, alright, and then you can just spread them out, and the whole deck will be the 7 of diamonds. But if this is just a regular card, you can just cut, and easily you would have found the spectator's selected card. And then once you've done this, you can say, alright, I just cut your card. But little do you know is that the whole deck is made out of the 7 of diamonds. And you could just quickly spread them just like that, slightly dribbling them. Don't flash a lot of these cards. You just want to slightly drop them just like that. And yeah, the trick should work. Yeah, that is really how you use a Svengali deck. Very simple, and this trick is really good for if you're performing at parties or just to one friend. So yeah, that's really it. Okay guys, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.